back to my channel. So I'm back with part 2 with Spellbinder's card kit a month for February. And so here is the last 5 cards. I made this one with blue card base and some gold. Then I took the pen and paper and I took one of the frames and I add the flowers, some gold flowers, and I add like this lady and she smelled the flowers. Then here I took I did a blue paper with some pink behind. It was like pink octagon, and this one looked like squirrels. And then here I took the house with hearts and squirrel with the flowers, and it says there. What does it say? It's so tiny. Well, I can't read what it says, but there was a sentiment on there. Then this one here, I took the bird and took another one of the frames and it says I'm here for you, and I did some butterflies. And then for my fourth card, I took some more of that paper with the bird. I love this paper, it was so pretty. And it says on my mind and in my heart, I stamped. And I took the flower of the vase. And then for my last card, I made this pretty shaker. This was my favorite card. Of all the cards I made, I love this one. So I took some gold mirror cardstock, and then I took some, again, the fancy dye, and then I used purple, and I did some more of that bird paper, and I did more pink paper, and then I did, but the sequins I used came from my stash, and I thought it fitted much better with the colors I used, and I did a butterfly. I love the sugar. So this is my last 5 cards. Until next time, like and subscribe. See ya!